Hey everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. Today we've got our 2013 Audi A3 Cabriolet. This one is a 2.0 Tdi S-Line. It's also S-Tronic, so it's the 6-speed DSG. It's finished in brilliant black, which is a proper black. It's gloss black, real good colour. It's done 81,000 miles. Excellent condition throughout. It's got the double spoke 18-inch alloys, which are all unmarked. It's got black leather, parking sensors, sat nav. Nice spec. As you can see, absolutely clean as a whistle. It's got the black roof. It's there, look, all in very good condition. I could never decide if to do cabriolet videos with the roof up or down. This one we're doing it with down. Got your rear parking sensors, tiny mark there. Your reg number is there for any checks that you wish to carry out. Again, this side is near to perfect as you will ever see, especially on an 11-year-old vehicle. Very, very, very nice indeed. Minimal stone chips to the front. That's just a speck of dust. Got the S-Line interior. Again, all very good. I'll just show you the boot. All very clean and tidy, and the A3s do have the split folding rear seats, and the boot space is not affected by the roof being up or down. We've got your floor mats, and these cars should have spare wheel kit with compressor. All there, look. Your rear Artifix. They are only a 4-seat car, but as you can see, absolutely immaculate on the seats. Driver's seat again is superb, as is the passenger seat. We've also got the centre armrest, electric windows, electric mirrors, etc. Your 3-spoke steering wheel with your multifunction and your paddle shift. Just there, look. We've also got cruise control, dual climate control, so for driver and passenger, and your navigation plus system. All the centre consoles in good condition. A couple of more small marks around the gear stick, but overall very good. Etc. All excellent. Just get the key, start up. Just bear in mind the roof is down, so the engine will sound a bit louder than usual because it echoes in here. But as you can see there, 81,457 miles, no warnings, no nasties, everything illuminates and goes out as it should. As I mentioned, your navigation system with your radio, standard CD player, MP3 and auxiliary input. Not sure where the auxiliary input is on this car. No, it's media interface. So you get all the patch leads for in there, plugs, etc. Telephone, navigation, but we've not got the disc. All your car features, rear parking sensors, it's got start stop, etc. And that's about it. We'll just pop the roof up real quick so you can see it works perfectly well. As you can see there, that's cooked up now. windows going up. All perfect. Very nice car, super clean, comes fully serviced, MOT'd, with warranty, etc. Give us a call, 01509 267 111, sorry. And give us a like and subscribe. Cheers guys.